What's more important today? When it comes to your online activity, buying the must-have item, making an emotional comment, sharing personal information, or staying safe. CIA's top internet safety tips help protect your wallet and your reputation. Number 1. Limit personal information. You don't give strangers your address and phone number in real life, so don't give it to millions of strangers online. And your relationship status. Strangers don't need to know that either. Number 2. Turn on privacy settings. Hackers and marketers use your social media presence and browsing habits for good or bad. Turn on privacy safeguards whenever possible to limit their intrusion into your life. Speaking of privacy, always close your social media and retail accounts, profiles, and emails whenever you're not using them. This lessens the chance of having hackers gaining access to your life. Number 3. When browsing, play it smart to stay safe. If a link, ad, or article looks explicit or shocking, avoid it. If a link asks for your personal information, no matter how legitimate it looks or appears to come from your bank or other trusted source, don't click on it. It may be a trap to gather your personal information or infect your device with malware. Speaking of malware, number 4. Check TW before downloading an app. Malware is often disguised as an app. Never download an app if it looks suspicious or comes from a site you don't trust. Number 5. Make sure your internet connection is secure. This is easy to do at home, but when you're in public, you have no control over your connection security. Never provide sensitive information over an unsecured network. It makes it easy for cyber criminals to steal from you. To stay safe, use a VPN whenever you use public Wi-Fi. Number 6. Select strong passwords. With so many data breaches occurring, you can't afford to use easy to remember passwords or use the same one over and over. Please put your sensitive information at risk. Choose a complex password that's at least 16 characters long and includes numbers and special characters. Then use a password manager to keep them handy and secure. 7. Only shop on secure sites. User can tell a site is encrypted and secure because its address starts with HTTPs. If it's not secure, you stand to lose a lot more than you will gain. Number 8. Think before posting. What you post online may stay there permanently. That includes regrettable remarks, embarrassing photos. Even though you take them down, copies may have already been shared that you can't delete. Remember, if you don't want your boss or mother to see it, don't post it. Number 9. Socialize safely. Did you know fake social profiles are one way hackers use to gain access to your personal information and ultimately your wallet? The bottom line is, don't take anyone at face value. Know before you befriend. Update you antivirus protection. Cyber criminals are always upping their game, so protect your computer from malware by keeping your antivirus up to date. 11. Back up your data. Do this regularly in case you do fall victim to an online scam or ransomware. That way you still have access to what's yours. When it comes to internet safety, think before you click and take time to secure your device. After all, it's your safety online. CIA. If you learn, you earn.